the Underworld Trilogy, which I just recently got from HMV for 20 quid, which is cheap in my opinion. I know quality might not be as good, but I'm using my new phone camera, just testing a couple of videos with it, so I thought I might as well do this since I use a normal camera. So here's 3 Blu-rays: Underworld 1, Underworld 2, Underworld 3, HMV receipt, same stuff. So this is a special extended edition Underworld 1, with that nice case. So that side, the back, which is just 20 stuff, that's it. Just a bit bland, just this, that's it basically. Right, Blu-ray, that's number 1. Here's number 2, Evolution. Underworld Evolution. Basically the same as the first one. As I was saying, it's inside. But they are nice discs. Number 3, Rise of the Lycans. Short side. Back, tiny bit of information about films, but feature stuff, so on. As I was saying again, just discs, so that's it. So comment, thumbs up, and subscribe, and tell us what you think of the commentary and video quality. Thanks.